Hello and welcome to video 1. In this video we're going to be covering creating a fan page. We're going to be looking at the differences between the different fan pages that you can create, and then we're going to be helping you pick out a name to give your fan page so that it, one, distinguishes your business, and two, is optimized for better ranking. So let's go ahead and get started. Now you'll notice here that depending on when you're viewing this video, this might still look like this. It might look a little bit different. It actually is a change that was put forth in late January of 2011. And so what they're trying to get at, Facebook is trying to make it easier to help you distinguish which page you should create. So what it's done here is it's giving you simple to follow icons. So local business, place of interest, company, organization, institution, brand or product, artist or entertainment figure, entertainment itself, and then cause or topic. So the differences between these, and to get a little bit more information quickly, all you have to do is click, and it kind of scrolls up like a garage door. Kind of cool, actually. And so as you look through each one of these, you'll notice that there's a large amount of them that are kind of like the just for fun, which is going to be the artist or public figure, because a lot of those, even though there's going to be official pages for, let's say, actors or, music artists, things like that, there's also going to be like a lot of just fan sites and like maybe even spoof pages that are just kind of for fun. Entertainment is similar. I'm assuming that movies is going to fall into that. Let's see what else that they give here. Movie, magazine, album. So it really helps you distinguish the difference between, well, what am I really? This one covers a wide variety. You have actor, director, artist, athlete, business person. So anybody who's really renowned and known, they're going to fall into this. You've got your differences between that and an entertainment. Cause or topic, that's just going to be any kind of organization, nonprofit. You've got the different ribbons now for different awareness months. Then brand or product, you've got that will be specifically catered around, like for instance, cars like Lexus, BMW, baby goods, kids goods, things like that, appliances. So that would be good for maybe particular products that can be set apart from the rest of your brand, or something that is new that you're rolling out that you really want to get out there and get awareness to. Then that would be a page that you could work for that, as well as maybe you want to specifically use Facebook ads to promote one new product line or a new brand, and you want that to be separate. Those would all be reasons why you would want to go with the brand or product type page. Company, organization, or institution. This is going to be, see the filtering that it's going to give you? This is just really a bigger scale of local business or place of interest. Local business or place of interest, as you can see here, is going to be integrated with Facebook Places. So you're going to have to get more specific, and you're going to have to, it gives you just about the same filtering. But what you're going to have to do is give the business name, you're going to have to give full address, and then every single one of these, you'll notice you're agreeing to the Facebook page terms, which all that really is just a set of guidelines set forth to make sure that you're being honest and you're not trying to represent yourself as a company, brand, or product, and you don't have the rights to do so. So we're going to go with a company, institution, and what we're going to do is, let's just say, we're going to do just a basic name here, but I do want to explain to you the differences in picking a name. Picking a name for your fan page is pretty crucial, because depending on really how you're trying to market the product, that's going to determine what you want to pick. And what I mean by that is, if you are a local business, or if you are a online business and you're trying to optimize the page as best as possible, there's really several ways that you can go. You can try and what I consider keyword stuff, the actual name, which it's nothing bad, and that might sound worse than what I actually use that meaning for. But what I mean by that is, you want to pick a keyword rich fan page name. Now that would be used for, like, let's say I am trying to make a fan page based around an online product, and if I'm an affiliate for a product, um, or I just want to target a specific area, like Denver, Colorado SEO or something like that, then that might be a better choice. Whereas if I'm picking something, for instance, a company name, let's say it's ABC Block Incorporated, well then you might just want to use that as your name. It all depends on the naming of your fan page depends on how you're really looking at branding it, and that's entirely up to you. We can only give you tips and advice on which direction to go. Or you could make one for both. You could kind of link them together, put one out there that you want to rank higher in search engine result pages for a specific keyword, and then you could have another one that is kind of just based off of your business name or the product name, and you're using that to rank for that keyword. So there, you can have several fan pages. I wouldn't say go out and make hundreds of them, because I'm sure there are limitations per email and such, and per account of how many fan pages you can create. That's constantly changing, so I'm not going to give specifics as to what it is right now, but just be mindful that you don't want to go out and make 20, 30 pages, because it's the same thing as domains. If you run out and do that, well then you've got to take responsibility and rank each one of those, and that can become quite hard. So for this example, let's just say we're going to let's do that. Let's agree to the Facebook page terms and get started. Now, if everything goes well, it will redirect you to the newly created page. If it doesn't like the naming, then it will actually stop you right there. So it did go ahead and create the page, but I did want to note that you'll get a red box that will pop up somehow, and it'll say that you can't use that. They don't like to see the name Facebook brought into any fan pages. They don't like the word fan page to be used. They don't like the words official. There's really a whole list, because it's just trying to be a little bit more aggressive with their filters to kind of keep the fan pages to a specific level, as well as everybody knows that it's going to be the official fan page, and it is a fan page, so you don't need to put fan page in there. So just little things like that. And so just go ahead and try your names, and if you do get that red box, just be mindful that that's just filtering against maybe words that you're using. You can't use symbols and things like that. So now we've gone ahead and it went through successfully. So we've created our fan page, and in the next video, we're going to cover going through and walking through all the different areas of your fan page. So sit tight, and we'll see you in the next video.